Hello mga pamangking! Musta na po? As you noticed, iba na naman po ang setup namin because we are trying to experiment with more types of content here on the channel. And right now, obviously, you see hands and play mats and cards. So we're going to be doing some gameplay commentary and analysis. This is yung match namin ni Hans sa Mox and Lotus nung isang weekly tournament. And it's going to be, of course, my colors, which is Sapphire Steel versus Hans's Amethyst Steel. And magandang matchup to, di ba, Hans? It's
Comparatively, one of two of the top decks this meta. So, maganda makita talaga yung how these two clash,
mhm.
kung ano yung strengths and weaknesses ng isa.
Although mas top yung Purple Steel. Purple Steel is definitely top of the meta. Yung Blue Steel naman, yung sa akin, Sapphire Steel, I wouldn't classify it as top, but I would classify it as top among the rogue decks. Yan ako. Medyo
Mm.
it's in that zone of rogue and top. Nandun siya sa in between. But this matchup is favored towards Purple Steel at around 60-40, although I would like to say closer, probably somewhere 50,
55.
yeah, 55-45, mga ganun. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting, and yeah, it really also depends, of course, on how well the cards flow. So without further ado, why don't we go ahead with the match? And I believe I won the die roll. This is a best of 3 match, so we're gonna
Mhm.
be we're now cutting each other's decks, and I will be going first. This is the mulligan ba? The mulligan pa lang ba to? Yeah, it is.
Mulligan face,
This is
yeah.
still the altering phase, so ideally, of course, the first player would always present their altar first, but since we're friends, we don't really care. go, go ahead. But strictly speaking, yes, first player has
First
to
to get the
alter
players.
first, second player has to alter second. So, ganun. But we don't really care. It's a weekly. But maybe in a DLC, you should behave a little better. And kaya nga, kalaban ko si Han, so I'm very familiar with him. He's familiar with me. So you know what? Go ahead, do it. And I am raring to start.
Nag-mall ka ba
Hindi.
or
I kept.
kept pala?
I
So,
kept.
yeah.
That's why I didn't have to shuffle. I kept. Because, well, this is a really... I think I got a good hand in there. First turn in good hand. Because, well, with Blue Steel naman, with this configuration, as long as you have Ramp and a Cinderella and a bunch of Inkables, you're good to go. Just make sure you only have at least... Having two uninkables is not going to be good. So there we ink the
Po.
Visions of the Future and then play the hook. Now it's Hans's
On
turn.
on the other side, when altering hand, and setup lang din naman. So it's good to have those one drops like
Mm,
yung hook.
yeah.
uh, Then for the succeeding turns, it's okay na meron kang pang ano talaga, mailalabas.
Yeah. And over here, of course, critical sa Blue Steel is the ramp. And I believe I'm going to ramp here. There's a Develop Your Brain and the ink and the tipo, and then there's the ink. I did not quest this time. Well, usually I would quest with the hook, but there's another hook over there yonder, and I will be on the bad
Deterrent.
end of a trade there. His hook's not gonna die. Mine will.
First chapter hook versus new hook.
The cooler art. You got the cooler art. I love that art. Okay, now it's
Palace
my
guard.
turn. Palace Guard.
Drop.
Although that's not a very
Ideally,
efficient turn. Ideally a two
ideally
drop.
na-optimize yung ink eh. Kaso limitations nga din ng
Yeah.
hand. Ayun na yung seed
And
doon.
there's the Cinderella. And I believe I'm also not gonna quest because again I don't want to be at the bad end of a trade of a clash. So yun, nag-ink na. Inking and drawing with the Cinderella. Now at 5 ink, I am ahead by 2. Well, 3 right now, but once you ink, I'm ahead by 2.
Ako, at 3 ink, the choices,
Uh,
dumami na. So, choice of either
Lexington if you
widening
have
the
it.
board, or kung
Oh,
ano nga yung makuha. So,
yeah,
these are
Castle.
the options at the moment. Palace Guard safe quest kasi magso-survive siya
Yeah,
if
because of 1-4.
hindi ma-full force. But yun nga, heavily doubt na magfo-full force for the
Yeah.
one drop, 'di ba?
And now here we have the Tinkerbell, which ito medyo I don't know why I bothered dicing the putting damage dice on the Palace Guard because I'm going to kill
Challenge.
it anyway. And then I don't know why I bothered putting back that dice when I'm gonna put it on hook anyway. It's not very efficient. It's not very efficient in terms of use of my hands. But otherwise, it's okay. And I think I'm also not gonna quest here because this is some people might want to quest. See, as you can see, I am vacillating towards questing or not. But because again, there's a Calhoun I'm gonna give, but I just also want to gauge if he's gonna be if he's gonna be willing to do something in this turn. Because
More or
right now,
less, we both know naman both decks eh, no?
yeah,
So, yung effects, we know na.
yeah. Could you pause for a bit, Hans? Yan. Pause lang natin. Kasi I just want to explain why I didn't quest with because I want to see if he will want to hit because I don't want to give him two options. I only want to give him one option, which is to kill the hook. So yun. If I wanted to see if he's willing to risk his Calhoun. So yun. Obviously, hindi niya ginawa yun. So right now, we can go back to the video. Hindi niya ginawa because he let hook live. So that tells me that he's not very confident with his challenges. So right now, because nga, there's a Tink on board, which means that he doesn't have a way to deal with my Tinkerbell. So that's why this is where I quested a little bit more freely.
Free to quest na.
Yeah, except for Cindy, I usually would quest the Cindy, but I believe in my hand I had a princess, so I didn't want to risk it yet. I wanted to maximize my Cinderella. And now we come out with a Goliath so that I could get more cards in my hand. And now it's your turn, Hans, I believe.
For the blue steel, ikaw yung mas wider board.
Yeah. Well, kasi
With a
nga, I
big
think it's because of your your unfortunate start. And you got the genie
so,
out, obviously. So,
Genies and Calhoun. So, the
mm,
uninkables na nailalabas na. So, ayun
then,
nga. So, as DJ explained, na may deterrent talaga. So,
mm,
dito papasok yung what are you willing to risk when
mm,
challenging. So, kahit na Calhoun might be able to get some lore out of it, like yung Tinkerbell can easily wipe out the board with challenges. Kahit
yeah,
isa nga lang eh. So, these are the heavier choices on my end. Choice na nga lang din kung ano yung available at my disposal. Tapos, it's really a game of holding strong. Kasi, despite na maraming questers, these are just 2 quests, 3 quests. So, there's a certain time na kayang mapigilan pa given the right pieces. But
mm.
right now, choosing a 3 ink. So let's see what
That's
I'm
probably a
able to.
Cheshire. Ah,
So
no,
a
it's
Lexington.
Lexington. Okay, okay, okay.
So a big body na kayang manapak to rest back kung ano man
Mm,
yung pwedeng i-challenge. So that can definitely knock out a damaged Tinkerbell. And then still ruminating on a 2 ink choice. Let's see.
yeah, I guess
Both challenges.
you
Yep.
went for it na. You went for it na. Because right now
So
you're more confident of challenging with the thing because you now have a big body that will survive a Tinkerbell, the side effect of the Tinkerbell, the splash damage of the Tinkerbell.
splash damage
Oh,
and
yes,
will
splash
take out
damage.
then on a
Oh,
trade. So
oh,
yun siya.
so yun, you're a bit more confident. And you had to discard because of the Goliath because you had 3 cards in hand. Now it's my turn. There's the draw. Medyo mabilis ako maglaro. Mabilis pala tayo maglaro.
Ayun nga eh, we have familiarity na with
Yeah.
the deck.
So,
Uh, as
yun.
far as yung explanation of effects
Yeah.
go, automatic na din
Yan.
sa atin.
And there's the challenge. And of course, I went for the genie because I normally wouldn't be able to reach that. So I might as well get some damage on the board. Then the Vincenzo to finish it off. Yun. And I'm obviously
Ooh,
gonna quest with Goliath so that I could get 2 lore. Yun. Yun. So,
such inks.
yes, 7 ink. 7 ink on turn 5. Was this, is this turn 5? I think it's, yeah, it's turn 5.
turn
Or turn
5.
6.
5-8 on my end. Medyo ipit nga, like the last turn, si Doc nga yung diniscard ko. Tas I have
Yeah,
another
there's
genie.
another
So,
genie.
I had a handful of uninkables.
Ah,
Uh,
that's
Choices talaga are very hard when it comes to that. Kahit na may nado-draw, hindi siya gano'n ka-flexible as
mm,
opposed to having yung a couple of the one drops na pwede mo din namang ma-ink and
mm,
possibly field. Ito na nga yung parang one of the drawbacks na
mhm,
fit ka talaga on kung ano yung mado-draw mo. Like I said, yung one drops natin that have value but earlier sana.
mm. And there's the hook. I'm obviously building a really good board here compared to Hans. So we are gonna be. I forgot what I did here, but okay, inking another. I think that Tinkerbell, I believe. And this is where I'm thinking if I should quest, but I'm probably going to kill something. Oh, it's another Cindy. Okay.
Really,
Yeah, I'm going to
beyond
Beyond the
horizon.
Horizon so that I
Alone,
yes, because he can do it
the,
alone.
the
7 cost.
sad reality na hindi
Yeah,
both players.
yeah. Because I'm not gonna give you more cards in hand.
Ayun nga eh, like
Yeah.
yung Goliath, in this game, I haven't been getting the other player benefit din kasi
Mm,
ipit ako dun sa two cards that I can't field or
mm.
ink din.
So here I quested out everyone except Vincenzo. He sang. So yeah, that's 5. 5 questing for 5 because I'm willing to sacrifice Tinkerbell here na. And because I don't think he's gonna be willing to sacrifice the genie. So there's the Cinderella trigger, and we're off to the races again. It's Hans's turn. Let's see what he's gonna do here. Actually, what would make this really, really terrible for me is a Cheshire. That's gonna make me. That's not gonna make my life so hard.
So at the moment, no ink. I'm playing with
Yeah,
a very limited hand. I think that's 3 cards. Then nga, the choice of the hook taking out the
Tinkerbell. Yeah,
Tinkerbell.
I'm willing to take that trade because it's. I have a substantial board, so I don't mind losing the Tink.
See, I think it's a small drop din, hindi pa naman big drop siya eh.
In this matchup again, oh, I think what's your
Or
two? Yuan's Black Heron
Heron,
and another Heron.
2 Herons.
Actually, this is also what I don't like about playing a Goliath against Purple Steel. Because I'm actually essentially helping you as well. Because you have more small drops that you could literally wipe out your hand, get get reloaded every turn, and you can take advantage of Goliath actually in this matchup. That's why I also don't like playing Goliath in this matchup. It's pretty much a gamble, but since I have a substantially better board state than you, I was willing to play it, and I had things to deal with. But normally, if I didn't have that much cards in hand, I'd be screwed, even if I had a Goliath in play, because Purple Steel takes advantage of a Goliath in play as well. There's the
So
Hades.
for the 2 turns na Goliath has been out, have only been able to draw one pa lang eh. So
Mm,
yung drawbacks niya nga are not as much. Tapos ayun, I'm struggling with a very small board na nata-take out na. So the draws could really help.
this is
Maybe at
one,
this
two,
moment,
three, four, five,
uh,
6, 7, 8, 8. Yeah, it's an 8. So
and at this point now, I don't think I have the tools to
yeah,
take out a board wide as this and big bodies din talaga that a 17 that's si Vinny
yeah.
na lang yan.
And there he is. There's the scoop, and
And we're
we're going to
scooping
the
with
next game. Now, actually, to be fair, din naman, you remember, I did not alter. I had a really good hand. That was, I wouldn't call it the nuts. I wouldn't call it a god hand, but ano siya, it was good. Kasi nga, there's the ramp, there's a Cindy, and it has the top end. which is the Tinkerbell top end, which really is helpful against a go wide matchup like Purple Steel. And now we're going to the second game. We are restarting our lore counter over here, which is slightly off camera. Apologies for that. And now it's Hans's turn to go first because he lost the first game. Now let's see. See how this goes. Although I do know how it went because I remember this game.
Yes.
I
Spoiler
remember
alert.
I remember this round because well,
Welcome to
welcome to Legoland.
Legoland.
Where
You really
all
are
bricks all the
dependent
time.
talaga. Dependent talaga siya dun sa starting hand.
Yeah,
You can see your
actually,
future.
hmm,
The vision of the future.
yes. As you can see, I think that's 6. I altered 6. Because I only have, I believe, a ramp card in my hand. That's everything else is useless. And I really needed that Cinderella. At the very least, again, in Blue Steel, the linchpin is Cinderella. If you don't have ramp in a Cinderella, your chances of winning go down significantly. The only way to mitigate that is to have another ramp, which is not Cinderella, on your second turn. So you need to double ramp. Sorry, third turn. You need a third turn ramp. Second turn ramp, third turn ramp. That increases your chances, but it's still not as good and as stable as having a third turn Cinderella.
I think yung altar ko is like 4 cards or 3
Yeah, I
cards.
think 4.
Tapos, toka, malis lang ako saglit to get
Yeah,
my phone. But I think this was one of the better hands na
yeah.
nag-grace lang din talaga of a good draw.
I think you did get a really good hand here. This is if I got a good hand on the first game, this one you just you just started right off the gate so good.
Everybody gets one.
Yeah, everybody gets one. Okay,
Let's
and
go.
there you go. We're
Purple
all
Steel
set.
on
You're
the
going to
play.
be. What is he inking? I don't remember what you inked. Nobody really remembers. Is that a
Uh,
Lexington? I didn't see.
Probably
But of course, there's a Palace Guard, which is an
Asper.
excellent
A good
first turn.
start.
That
Hard to take.
1/4 body is so hard to deal with. And we have
They wouldn't
inking a
risk an
Goliath.
action, diba?
And
Cavani.
nothing! Oops. Oh,
Oh
crap. Sorry about that.
no!
Anyway, it's your turn now because I didn't do anything. And my palm rest fell. Sorry about that.
A
Maganda.
glorious thing to hear, like no drops.
No drops. Nice. Although Blue Steel naman, hindi niya kailangan ng first turn drop, to be honest. But ideally, you should at least have a develop your brain to at least filter through the deck. That's what I was also looking for to, ano,
Hades Inc. for an Olaf and
all,
the Captain Hawk.
that's
So
very
like
efficient.
seeing na the board is on my end, walang
Mm.
tao sa kabila, we're free to put
Quest.
down the people in Quest. So
Yun. And
Quest
that
1,
a lot of people thought that Olaf was not going to be good, but that Olaf is good. Olaf is
at,
much better than the Obedient Raven for me, than Diablo Obedient Raven.
at 2-1 with a very useful
Yeah,
tool
very
na
useful bounce,
skill.
self bounce when it leaves play, not just so even if it gets inked, if it gets Hades or it gets the whatever bounced back,
Leaves play
it can bounce something from your end, and that can be very useful for your ETBs for the
for on play
yeah
effects.
for the
Yeah.
on play effects.
There it is, the
There's the
Cheshire.
there's that darn cat, and of course a quest for 3 is now at 4 lore. Blazing start for Hans, and I am on the back foot with
With people holding the
with
line.
people holding the line and doing a sale because I have no Cinderella, so a double ramp is my only. This is actually where I had to really think about this turn because I'm gonna spend a lot of time mulling this because right now I believe I saw a Cinderella here. I saw a Cinderella in this develop your brain, but I decided not to take it because I'm already here. I'm already at this point. I Cinderella's usefulness
I
is not anymore maximized here at this point. Maybe later in the game if I could still get it, but right now, no. So it was a choice of pushing further, which I think I did because I still have one ink and I still have another tipo in hand. So yun, kumbaga, I'm gonna push, see, another tipo. So I think I now have 6 ink. I got 6 ink in that, or how many? I still have one tipo ink, yeah. So 6 ink total by the end of this turn. Na parang was that third turn 6 ink. My hand is relatively unstable, but I decided to risk it because it was the only way I could get ahead through the inks. Yun, and it's your turn. See, I passed. I didn't even bother questing the tipo, which is a misplay on my part. I should have just quested it.
for ink for genie.
And then there's the genie, and there's the quest out for 4.
Easy quest.
Easy quest for 4 because I can't do anything.
On my end din, I
Uh-huh.
readied my dice na eh. Getting excited ako dun sa move damage eh. You
And
know?
yun, this is actually I mulled getting the Cheshire Cat or the Genie. Usually I would get the Cheshire Cat first, but since there's no damage on the board yet, I went with the Genie and I had to get rid of the Genie so that he can't target it for a return. Because that's another card drawn. So right now, see, he didn't Hans didn't trigger the Olaf.
Wala na din naman kasing on play eh.
So that's why I had to get rid of the Genie. That's why I had to use Hades on the Genie and not usually again I would target the Cheshire.
That darn cat.
That darn cat that wreaks havoc on your board. And it's now Hans's draw. I was able to recover, I think, but I don't think it's gonna be enough because I think Hans just has a really good hand. So, ang ganda ng nangyari sa kanya
Rolls din
dito.
at 8 din eh. So may head start lang din
Yeah,
talaga.
that head start.
Tapos if I can keep putting out people, you know,
Yeah,
so
and the White
the White
Rose.
Rose
White
one
Rose, Papaya,
and
and the
Calhoun
Calhouns.
pa.
Okay, that is a,
So the lore pushers
yeah, huge board. Then he sings
my
Strength of the Raging Fire on Hades, which but it doesn't kill, but at least if Hades challenges and we're at 11 lore, if Hades challenges, it's gonna be a bad time.
out
Yeah.
at the very least.
Mm-mm. So this is where I start to ponder my life in general. Because I
For
think
4, I think ano yan eh.
this is Thunderbolts.
Thunderbolts.
I think this is a hard cast Thunderbolt. If I'm not mistaken, I don't remember. Yes, it
Yep.
is a hard cast
Thunderbolt for
Thunderbolts,
4.
and then
And then
deity on so that I
for
could
4,
kill.
+2.
Yeah, challenger plus 2 yon. So he can now kill the Palace Guard, which is
Palace
actually
Guard.
a bad trade. But I had no choice. I really need to get your board under control. And right now, exploring my choices. See, as you can see, I am looking at my discard, but it's your turn na
Quest
pala,
out lang
and you
din
quest out
talaga.
then. Because I can't do
14
anything.
at the moment.
14-0, that is a huge start. I doubt I can recover, but here I am still fighting, still looting
Namari
with the Namari.
at 1, 2, at X.
Yeah, at X. I forgot how many. Was that five? Five? No.
Enough to take out, I
Yeah,
think.
enough to take
So
out anything on that board. But it's your turn now. But I highly doubt I can catch up because after this, there's a 17 quest. And I don't even know why I didn't give up at this point. I could have saved myself a few minutes.
I think kaya pa if ever like a spooky. Kung the spooky would
Yeah, actually, that's what I was looking for. I was looking for a spooky.
I think I have a 1 card in hand. 6, 8 or 5, 8.
Yeah, you can pretty much just quest out here. I can. I'll probably take out one, likely the Calhoun.
Ano kaya pinag-iisipan at this moment?
I have no idea. I cannot read your mind.
So I'm still trying to think then with one card in hand,
Yeah.
what's stopping me?
Well, actually, ano naman, it's reasonable because you do have one card in hand. If you had more cards, then you would just quest out. But if there you had one card in hand, you know that you're gonna lose one if you quest out. Eh.
I
Mawawalan ka
think
ng
at
isang
this
tao.
I think at this moment, uh, I believe I had Elsa Fifth Spirit tapos I
Ah,
wanted to take out Namari. Kaso kulang pa yung
yeah.
bodies kasi you can bounce back easy and I'd be taking out two people for that.
Yeah, you're gonna
So
have to two for one it. Yeah.
uh,
Ayun, you kept the police woman up. Si policeman Kalawakal nakatayo, so hindi ako makakapalag
so
diyan.
at 16 I think
Yeah,
uh,
you are at 16 lore.
with a ready Calhoun.
Yeah, I think at this point I think this is the turn I give up because I did the develop your brain. I also did the loot from Calhoun. I'm just looking for a solution here. Yun nga, it's the spooky site is my solution, but I don't think they found it. Yan see, I don't even know. Just give up. Just give up, man. Just go to the next game. That's what I would, if I had a time machine, I'd slap myself. Just give up.
I think a Hades then could help with this, no? Diba? Just more of taking people out, I think
Yeah.
would help. Kasi I only have three people and
Uh,
wipes are easy. Rather yung target ka. You have
mm,
Thunderbolts, you have Strength,
mm.
you have Hades. So spot removal are tools that you have din naman.
Yeah, I do have outs. That's why I'm not giving up yet. I know I have my outs, but I'm just trying to find the way to get to it. I don't even know why I probably have a hook in hand. So it's just that's why
Ayun o, see? Fifth
ayun,
Spirit nga.
Fifth Spirit dead. Then one, then I think that's all she wrote.
19,
Yeah.
18,
You're I believe at
whichever
19.
that is.
I believe you're at 19. Because you were at 16 earlier, you gained two lore with Calhoun and
And White Rose.
then White Rose. So you're at 19. At this end, you have a fifth spirit.
Ayan.
Yeah,
There it is.
there's the scoop. There's the long overdue scoop. Kanina pa dapat yun eh. Sasayang ka lang ng oras, past BJ.
Great guess nga. I really thought really hard about yung Fifth Spirit really. Yun yung ipang take out ko sa Namari ka. So, ayun yun. Um, knowing na kung ano yung tools on hand na inold ko na lang.
Mm.
Tapos, ayun, at least we were able to get the dub on this. So, best of three, we're rolling with the third round. Then, si BJ na yung first on play.
Yay!
Hopefully, we get better hands as
Uh,
always.
I remember this. This is also Legoland for me. This is also a Legoland hand because ano to, I believe I didn't get any ramp in this hand. So this is those rare times where Sapphire had to play honest Lorcana.
Think like the rest of us, one at a time.
One at a time. The most excruciating thing you can do to a Sapphire player. I altered 5. Oh wait, no, I altered all of them. I altered 7 because I didn't get any ramp. Wait. Although I didn't alter 7. I altered probably 6 or 5 because I have a Cinderella. I know I
Nakuha
have
niyo.
a Cinderella in hand, but I don't have people. I don't have a sale. I don't have anything of the sort. So this is again gonna be around a game of Honest Lorcana. So hindi siya Legoland, it's semi-Legoland. But still, not getting Cindy on turn 3 is quite the disaster. Actually, nagmamadali na ata tayo. I think even before you cut the card, since I was starting, I already like inked something. Don't do this on a real tournament because again, we're friends. We tolerate each other's BS. But there, see, nothing,
Okay.
nothing.
On
Which is
the
again
draw,
okay with blue steel, but with purple steel, a one drop is indeed necessary. You're in trouble if you don't have a one drop.
I think ako yung, yeah, speaking of, um, oh, meron. I
Meron
did
yan.
not have one from
Imposible.
Palace
Palace
Guard.
Guard, syempre. Next, eto yung ano, I think I'm gonna be playing Visions of the Future here. If I'm not mistaken. Kasi again, wala akong ramp. I have no ramp. I inked
Ano,
a,
second strength to ink.
yeah, second strength to ink, which, is, I know frowned upon. With hook pala. Hook yung nakuha ko dito.
Oh,
Oh.
okay.
Because I think the hook was my draw.
So,
So at least to have a body in play. Is it a Calhoun? Is it a...
I doubt. I think dito nga ako nagka-difficulty.
So,
Uh,
so pareho pala tayong
the
Legoland dito.
turns. Oh,
Ano
a
eh,
hero.
it's Heron. Okay, Heron
So
quest.
one.
Safe quest for the Palace Guard as usual because he's a 1/4. Medyo shaky din yung cam kasi it's just walang image stabilization. Okay, third. Oh my god, this is gonna
The
be
Vili
terrible. The done. The ink and pass. The ink and pass TM. Let's see how we can recover. But I know I have a Cinderella, and you inked an Olaf, which is
for
surprised so that you
Lex
could get a Lexington out.
1A.
Second quest. Ooh, the Heron didn't quest. I wonder why. Because you don't want to get hit by a hook. I would understand, but you have board advantage. You should have traded that. But
Trade.
it's okay. And then we have the Cinderella, of course. I'm going to and
Draw.
keeping hook standing up.
Draw.
Duro, and now it's Hans's turn. Fourth turn would either be a genie or a Cheshire Cat and another one drop. These are the things that you could hope for. Likely a genie or a Dumbo. I know this deck has a Dumbo. Had a Dumbo, right?
Yeah.
It did. It did.
Another Olaf at ink or
Yeah,
4.
there it
There it
is.
is.
There's the
Dumbo.
Dumbo.
On
And then
Sings.
boom.
Did they take out one
And one.
quest again? So I think tama nga, no? Like if I did quest with a Heron early,
Ayun, there we go.
I know. So
Yeah.
apparent board advantage. So
Mm.
kinwest ko na nga lang din.
Mm. Mm. Kasi I'll have to trade the hook for it. And
There you go.
there's
Thing.
Tinkerbell and yun. Take that out so that hook lives. Everyone else gets 1 damage, including Dumbo. There we go. There's the Dumbo. And you know that you don't have anything, you barely have anything above 4 willpower because you're using 4-sided dice.
The D4 spikes.
The Caltrops. The Caltrops.
Low end lang choice. What do you say dun sa Tinkerbell? And ayaw niyang i-bottom the deck, so I got
Yeah.
2 cards out of it.
Oh, it's a Hades. Hindi ko nakita. Ang layo. Nag-Hades ka pala. Of course, I'm not gonna give it up. And it's very rare that you pretty much reads draw 2 cards. when when this character when you play this character draw 2 cards,
Draw
that's
2
pretty much
cards.
it. That's pretty much it. And of course, did you use the Dumbo ability or just quest? Just quest lang, no?
Quest lang.
Because you didn't have
Kasi
enough ink.
tapped out.
And now we inked another hook. Let's see. It's a 7, so it's either a Hades or a Hades. Hades on the Dumbo.
Hades on Hades board. It really shows talaga yung like the deterrent na ability ni Tink, no? Like once she's on the board, like can really take out something with the splash damage.
Yeah.
So mahirap na you leave
Yeah.
a character open
Yeah.
unless it for a trade talaga.
And right now, that's why I'm questing with Hook, so that in case I'm willing to sacrifice him so that you could bow. Sorry, we could exert one of your
Exert
characters for a challenge. Now I guess it's your turn. But yeah, so I am dangling the hook. Not the bait. The
I
hook
think
is the bait.
I know yung hawak ko dito kasi naipit ako with a certain card. I'll reveal it later. So
I
I'm
think it's a Cheshire.
choosing. Oh,
Is it?
there it is,
It is
Cheshire.
a Cheshire, yeah.
Uh, but
So
with the one damages lang on board, medyo mahirap na siyang may manipulate.
You can just usually you could just, even if you don't have damage, you could just boost him because you have the Olaf tech. And of course, there you go. There's the
The Cheshire
challenge.
boost.
And then the Cheshire boost to the Think. So that so that it's all clear. It's a very healthy Lexington now. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Wala.
Siya lang. Okay. Natakot si Hades. Right? That's the draw. I believe I am going to be playing I think I'm gonna Thunderbolts here. If I
Yeah.
remember correctly. This is gonna be a Thunderbolts play. Because it would take advantage of the deity. Yan. So here, singing the Thunderbolts to the Cheshire Cat, and because of the deity bonus,
For
plus 2
4
challenger, I can now take out the Lexington
and
and
survives.
survive with barely any health, but at least. And then we bring out
Course,
the Gamble. I think I got 1 action here, so that's 2 damage.
that's
The
strength
Strength of the
no.
Raging Fire. And since I have no cards in hand, it's pretty much discard. You, I believe, have 2 cards in hand plus 3, so yeah. So you have 5 cards in hand at this point, and I'm gonna have to choose 3 of them. I don't think I got any. I don't think I got any from your hand because I think.
The choice of the discard lang
Oh,
din
you
talaga.
have 3 cards in hand, so you have the
GD, Lexington.
and another whatever, and the 2 damage goes to the Heron, so that's a kill. Sorry, it's a banish. To banish the Lexington. Banish. It's the correct term. And I end my turn. That horseman just makes the whole deck more casino-y. It becomes a casino once the horseman comes in. And there's
Another
another
Cheshire.
Cheshire, and I think you're going to transfer the 2 damage on Think to the Hades so that he dies. Gets banished.
Returns home to the
Returns
underworld.
home to the underworld.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Doing the best I can with the draws, I believe.
Ito na, yun nga. Top deck,
Sticking
yeah.
sticking with 6 ink ako eh.
Uh,
So, let's see.
top deck gaming ako ngayon. And I have no choice but to quest at this point. I might as well. Tinkerbell's gonna be remaining a threat, I believe, unless I do something. I think this is
Another one.
another one. Actually, I believe I said I'm gonna give you more bullets. Magkakaroon na naman ng bala si Cheshire Cat. But
Ayun,
then
with the
quest.
double
Yan.
the quest.
Yeah. I think I quested what?
We
Sorry.
know na copy naman siya, but you know, like once dry, once wet, we understand that.
Yeah, exactly. I noticed din eh. Parang, teka, yung fresh ink pala yung kinuwest ko.
Request. Once dry,
Again,
once wet, we understand that.
we understand each other, but please don't do this on a in a really big tournament.
O matawagan ka ng judge.
Fresh ink, even if it's the same card. If you're if your opponent chooses to be pedantic. Okay,
Aim
see.
for a Lexington, so
Yeah.
trying to restore bodies on the field, another boost,
bo- Boost so that I think you're gonna clear yan
keep
yan.
Cheshire, yeah, keep Cheshire alive
Mm,
the moment, big damage. So kahit one lang, di ba, for the 2 ink.
mm-mm.
Uh, if you Hades Cheshire, all of that goes to ink.
Yes. And I think that's
So
gonna happen. Well, not Hades, but I think I don't think it's this point. Is it at this point? It is, I think.
Ubi?
Is it? I think it's gonna. Yeah, it is the Hades. I think I drew a Hades here, if I'm not mistaken. It's either a spooky or a Hades. It is
There it
Hades, and
is.
I
Yeah.
opted to because again, it's wreaking havoc on my board. I don't mind giving him 3 extra ink. I think at this point it doesn't matter anymore. It's at that
Yun yung
point.
value of boosting din.
Mm,
So, like, if that goes to ink or goes to hand, I get the
mm,
cards back.
yeah, especially if you got Olaf in play. That's pretty much creating your own card advantage there. And here I am thinking if I
That
should quest, and
is
I did. I did quest out all 3 for
big
a total of
bodies.
6. Because if you want to kill, if you want to banish them, damn it, stop it. You need to get used to this.
At the moment, wala akong pang-challenge without trading eh. So,
Ah,
really in a pickle din. Tapos, I think I have yung, medyo reveal kaso, ayun. Ipit ako with a certain card in hand na kakasabi mo nga lang you have uh, top deck gaming eh. So,
ah,
sabihin ko na nga lang din, what I had in my hand is a Demona. So, I'd
ah,
essentially be giving you cards then, of which I didn't want to do,
mm,
knowing that you have the ink in hand. So, mas malulugi ako at that point. But,
mm,
ayun, I have Calhoun and Demona on hand na I can't very much use as much as I could have. So,
yeah.
uh, in a pickle talaga with big bodies na kalaban tapos ako wala akong big body. But opted with the Dumbo and the Calhoun drop
And there we go. There's quest out. Are you questing? Ah, wait, you did a
to
challenge.
take yeah to take
Take out
out both
both thinks.
things
Yeah.
because they really are problems.
Mhm. You just want, well, though. Yeah, I understand why you didn't do that. It's very risky to play the Demona right now. Yeah, that's pretty much I wouldn't say a checkmate situation, but it's just a very risky situation. For quest for
To
4 at
defeat.
15. So you need to kill one.
Yep.
And you can't do any actions because Pete is there. So again, not a checkmate situation by any stretch of the imagination. You do have outs, but
I
it's a
think
very
yung issue
precarious
ko nga
situation.
is a rush option sana eh. Kaso, ayun, Lexington but
Lexington.
can't challenge at the moment.
Mm,
Tapos, a fifth spirit can only hit for 2. So, hindi niya kakayanin to take
mm.
out alone.
Yeah, you're gonna have to sacrifice nga Dumbo. Take out the Hades, Dumbo, and ano, yan.
Ayan, no?
That's exactly what you did, so you could gain 2 lore out of it. And you pretty much had to decimate your board for that. Sacrifice talaga. And I think this is where
Ayun na, one
yeah,
card in hand, oh. That's the
that's the
Demona.
Jasmine, yeah. And then I got the Jasmine, so that's pretty much, if you can't deal with the Jasmine, which is kind of hard to do for a purple steel. That's a 3/7. Hard to banish. There, I got it right.
A
Hard to
6
banish
of
with damage.
Demona. But,
Yeah.
yeah,
But
there's the
there's
scoop.
the scoop
Yeah,
and GG's. Yeah,
GG's.
that was a good match really. It was a showcase of bricking, bricking and recovering. So yun. Anyway, from that match, you can see that we also had a few mistakes, missed a few quests, but ultimately I don't think it mattered that much because I think we only missed 1 lore quests in both of our games.
Mhm.
And yun nga, I guess sa last game lalo, uh heart of the cards talaga because
Depende
top
talaga sa
top deck gaming
starting
ako eh.
hand,
Ah,
sa mulligan,
i-
tapos if the deck comes out for you, lalabas talaga
mm,
yung tools mo. Tapos
mm,
deck construction na din. So if you
mm,
have the tools on hand, you can rely on a bounce back.
mm. Yun nga, it also showed na parang okay, first game I had a good hand and you were kind of bricked, kinda, not really.
Yeah,
But a
yung
very
blue
low
steel.
chance of purple steel to brick actually. Very very low. Unlike the blue steel which has a very higher chance of breaking. And of course, second game is you had a really good hand and I bricked. And then in the third game, we both kind of bricked. So it's a very interesting match, but shows goes to show that sometimes, yeah, blue steel can eke out a win against purple steel. It's a close matchup, but favoring purple steel definitely just really had a good I was just drawing well at the last game, especially with that top deck moment, those top deck moments. So yun.
And you uh uh experience then with the decks. So
Mhm.
you've been playing with blue steel for a while na din naman.
Oh yeah, this is the first
So
time you've played purple steel.
not the first time, maybe like kasi this is the second game eh. So I
Mhm.
played against
At
racers
with
this
against Ian.
this third. But familiar with the deck, and
Mhm.
then very intuitive naman yung pieces niya as long
Mhm.
as you keep putting stuff on the board. Kaso yung learning curve niya nga is very manageable.
Mhm.
So, ito, shows yung deck knowledge. So, you would know the pieces you have, ikaw.
Mhm.
Tapos, ayun nga, with your experience playing with the deck and then yung practice mo nga,
Yeah.
you know what others have din as well. So,
Mhm.
you know what to expect. Tapos, ako, knowing you din naman, knowing this deck for a while, alam ko din naman yung what to expect. But it helps that you construct your deck din naman to those that watching. Tapos ayun, have experience talaga getting the reps out para alam mo what to expect, what your deck's limitations are, and
Mhm.
yung strengths and weaknesses niya nga. So ayun, we found out that breaking talaga
Mhm.
medyo medyo masakit.
Although ganyan, there's also another match na Ian and I played back in Ongkeko in OHS na nag-switch kami. I used that purple steel and he used the blue steel. I found that the lines that you have to take in purple steel is much easier to figure out. Tapos si Ian, he had a really I wasn't horrible, but he had a tougher experience uh knowing which lines to take using blue steel. So blue steel definitely is a harder deck to play. It's a harder deck to pilot. But if you get it right, it really just blazes through.
When you're on that more than one ink mentality.
Yeah, exactly. Anyway, that is it mga pamangking. Salamat for bearing with us and I hope you learned something from this match commentary slash analysis. If you have any clarifications or questions and if you have any comments on our play, we always love feedback kasi naman we're all about improvement. We're all about improving, getting better at the game. And if you have any tips that you could have given us, things we could have done better, please feel free to sound off in the comments.
Getting better at playing the game, getting better at content then. So if
Hmm.
you guys like this, let us know. And if you
Yes.
have suggestions on kung ano yung gusto nyo decks that we play and commentate on. Kasi of course, we would want to try out other decks din naman and then see how it interacts with other decks as well. So uh, I'm sure it's gonna be a good learning experience for everyone, us included. So we would really appreciate yung comments talaga.
Yes, indeed. Anyway, that is it. Thank you very much once again for hanging out with us. This has been BJ.
This has been Lorcan Tito Hans.
Bye bye.
Bye!